I got an awesome new item for you today. This is the 4-tier display shelf rack. These are very easy to put together. They come in many different colors. This is the pink version. Let's put it together. Alright, this is the display shelf unboxed. It comes with the shelves, the poles, they just twist together, and also the caps. It also comes with a set of instructions, but this is very easy to put together. No need for these. Alright, all you do is put the bottom feet in the holes, line up the poles and twist. And you just put the caps on the top and that's it. And this is the shelf all put together. It only took me about 10 minutes to put this together. I didn't need any extra tools. It's very sturdy.